Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2008 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Consider the Schmitt trigger circuit shown below. A triangular wave which goes from minus 12 to plus 12 volts is applied to the inverting input of op amp. Assume that the op amp output swings from plus 15 to minus 15 volts. The voltage at the non-inverting input switches between. So whenever the output is changing from minus 15 to plus 15 to minus 15, as the input changes from minus 12 to plus 15 plus 12, by that time how the voltage at non-inverting terminal is going to be changes. Okay, so there are four options are given, we have to pick the right one. Okay, look at this one. The first case is nothing but case 1. Okay, first case is nothing but whenever Vi is going to be at minus 12 volts, it has given that one output is going to be at plus 15 volts. By that time, okay, what is the non-inverting terminal voltage? So Vi, whenever it is minus 12 volts, okay, by that time output is going to be at plus 15 volts. So what will be the voltage across this point? This point is nothing but voltage at non-inverting terminal, which you can say it as V plus. Okay, so write KCL, Kirchhoff's currents law, at non-inverting node, that is nothing but at V plus. So we will consider the first this one, this is plus 15 volts. This is first one, and next we will go for the minus 15, later we will go for the V naught. So we can write it as V plus minus of, okay, plus 15 divided by 10k plus V plus minus of minus 15, that is below power supply we are considering, divided by 10 plus V minus V naught divided by 10 is equal to 0, and 10 will be going cancel because the other side is going to be 0. You can write it as V plus minus 15 plus V plus 15 plus V plus minus V naught is at plus 15, so that I can write it as minus of plus 15 is minus 15, that is equal to 0. Plus 15 minus 15 get cancels. What you are getting is 3V plus is equal to 15. So V plus is equal to voltage at non-inverting terminal is going to be at plus 5 volts. So whenever Vi is going to be minus 12 volts, by that time V naught is equal to plus 15 volts, then the voltage at non-inverting terminal is plus 5 volts. Now we will consider the second case. Second case is going to be given as, okay, for the second case, so it has given that one for the second case, when Vi is equal to plus 12 volts, V naught is going to be at minus 15 volts. So V naught is now at minus 15 volts and Vi is at plus 12 volts. Now we are going to calculate V plus. Okay, again apply KCL. KCL at non-inverting node, that is V plus. You can write it as same thing. First we will consider this one, and next we will consider this one, and last you will consider the V naught. Okay, so that you can write it as V plus, okay, minus 15 divided by 10 plus V plus minus of minus 15 divided by 10 plus V plus minus V naught divided by 10 is equal to 0. So by that time 10 is going to be denominator is common. If it is going right side, it will become 0. You will get it as V plus minus 15 plus V plus 15, okay, plus V plus minus V naught. Minus V naught is nothing but minus of minus 15 you will get. So that from this one you can get this minus 15 and plus 15 get cancels, so that you will get it as 3V plus 15 is equal to 0, and if you take that plus 15 it will become minus 15. From this one you can get it as V plus voltage at non-inverting terminal as minus 5 volts. So whenever the output is changing from plus 15 to minus 15, the non-inverting terminal voltage is changing from plus 5 to minus 5. So the answer for this question is, it is changing from minus 5 to plus 5. This is minus 5 to plus 5 volts it is changing from. So this is the right answer. Thank you.